gating pulse requirement for three-phase full converter. This is similar to what we had studied in chapter 2, digital firing scheme. There, to know the starting point, we had used ZCD, and then we had calculated the alpha using the logic. Here we have to use comparator, but not as ZCD. Here a little bit different, because in the three-phase converter the starting point is not the zero of the wave, it is the intersection of the two phases. Because it is from here the SCR is going to become forward biased. So alpha is calculated from here. So to know this particular point, two phases are given as input to a comparator. Here it is given as A and C. So phase A and C are given here. You can see here A is higher than C from here to here. See, A is higher than C from here to here. This is the intersection point. From here A becomes high and A remains high till here. After that C becomes high. So comparator output would be high during this duration. It will be low during this duration. Now we don't know when we are going to switch on the supply, the main supply. Suppose you have switched on here, immediately comparator output will be high, but you should not take this high as the reference point for calculating alpha, because the right point is P. It has already elapsed because you switched on the supply here. So you should take the next reference point P, Q. So but if you switch on the supply at SW2, okay, it is right. You can take Q itself. So the reference point determination is on the basis of low to high transition of the comparator, not high. Here also high. So first low to high transition can be taken as the reference point. See, this is same as P. Once you determine this, then calculate alpha. So here alpha is we have taken 72 degrees, so 4 milliseconds. 20 milliseconds period you can calculate here, it is given there. So after 4 milliseconds the microcontroller should give firing pulse in the sequence you know, T1, T6, T2, T4, T3, T5. Check what you have already been taught in the previous classes also. It is written properly in the notes. So the microcontroller should sense first low to high transition of the comparator output, then deliver firing pulses in the proper sequence. Okay, right, and for the duration of 120 degrees for each thyristor, and switching should be 60 degrees. After 60 degrees the next thyristor should be switched on. And the duration of gate pulses, here we have assumed 1 milliseconds for the 20 milliseconds cycle. Depends, you may give 2 milliseconds, depends.